For the last few years, the standard for AI was simple: which chatbot gives the smartest answer? But as models move beyond text boxes and into real working environments, that question is changing. The focus is now shifting toward delegated work. We are seeing a move toward autonomous agents, systems expected to use tools, navigate software, and coordinate smaller agents to complete tasks without constant human supervision. Because these models are now working more like digital employees than search engines, the measure of success is no longer pure intelligence, it is reliability. Two major competitors are now trying to lead this market for autonomous work: Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8 and OpenAI's GPT 5.5. These systems represent two different approaches to work. Anthropic positions Claude as the careful collaborator, a partner built for complex reasoning. OpenAI presents GPT 5.5 as the engine, a persistent operator integrated into Codex and ChatGPT. Deciding between them is not about finding a single winner, it is about choosing the system that best fits a specific professional workflow. To see which model earns that trust, we have to look at the specialized areas they were built to handle. This comparison shows that the AI frontier has split into specialized strengths. Neither model holds a universal lead. On the SWE-Bench Pro evaluation for fixing software issues, Claude Opus 4.8 solves nearly 70% of the tasks, giving it a 10-point lead over GPT 5.5. That deeper understanding also extends to computer use. On OSWorld-Verified, Claude scores over 83%, showing a stronger ability to operate desktop software and web interfaces directly. Claude has established its strength in deep reasoning. It is most effective when a task requires a careful understanding of a complex system. GPT 5.5 finds its strength in the terminal. On Terminal Bench, it outperforms Claude in running command line workflows and carrying out technical plans step by step. This creates a divide in coding work. Claude is currently more effective at fixing the logic inside a codebase, while GPT 5.5 leads in driving command line execution. These execution abilities are supported by the Codex ecosystem, which is built into tools used by 4 million developers each week. GPT 5.5's advantage is its position as the central operating layer for professional technical workflows. Moving past the scores, we also have to look at how these models are built to process information. Claude uses a more distributed approach. It takes a prompt and breaks it into a group of parallel subagents that review one another's work and check the logic before delivering a final result. GPT 5.5 uses a more centralized system. It acts as a persistent main engine that moves information between tools, analysis, and workspace environments. This chart shows the trade-off. Claude has a verification bias. It is 4 times less likely to leave its own coding flaws unflagged. GPT 5.5 has an execution bias. It leans more toward confidence and taking action to complete a task. However, even with these advances, neither model is fully reliable yet. In high-stakes fields like financial analysis, scores remain in the mid-50% range, meaning constant human oversight is still required. Selecting a partner means choosing which weakness you prefer: an agent that may second-guess a correct plan, or one that may confidently push through a mistake. The evidence suggests that searching for one best model overall is no longer a useful strategy. The market for digital work is becoming more specialized. Different professional tasks now require very different types of AI reasoning. Claude Opus 4.8 is the stronger choice for deep work inside complex codebases, browser automation, and high-stakes tasks that require careful self-checking. GPT 5.5 is the stronger choice for terminal-heavy technical execution and broad, tool-driven workflows inside established ecosystems. Each model solves a different kind of problem. The decision depends entirely on the type of work being automated. Choosing a model also means choosing a specific philosophy for how a workplace should function. Anthropic is building a careful, self-critical team of agents designed to handle autonomous tasks with a high degree of caution. OpenAI is building a persistent, universal engine designed to accelerate execution across an existing suite of professional tools. This brings the competition back to the central challenge of delegated work. The winner of this race will not be decided by temporary benchmark leads. It will be decided by which system can perform real work reliably enough to earn a human's complete trust.